nice to be here. Thanks for inviting me out. It's really cool to be involved in this project. So you've all done a bit of LiDAR scanning and you have an idea of how that works, right?
Yep.
Yep. So if I tell you that that is an active source method, would you know what I meant by that? You have a laser and you're firing it at something and it bounces back and you get a signal. So we can do a similar thing, but using a passive source, using ambient light. So just the ambient light from the sun reflects off the ground and into your eyeballs. We see the same thing, we see the world around us. So using a camera, you can use your cell phone if you want, just using a camera, we can create exactly a similar way to what the LiDAR does. We can create a 3D model of the world. And it's a photogrammetry method. The word photogrammetry is a very specific type of surveying. This is a photogrammetry method called structure from motion. And the reason for the name is important, that you derive the 3D structure of the world from the motion between individual photographs. So you can do this really well as an experiment with your eyes. So we as humans see, those of us with two eyes, see the world in 3D because we have two eyes. And we see in parallax. So both eyes are seeing the same thing, but slightly different distance apart. So we can calculate a 3D world. But you can do the same thing with one eye. So everyone turn and face, so you have something in the near ground and something in the far ground. Now close one eye and then move your head from side to side. So you will see that the tent is moving a whole lot in respect to the building behind it. You see what I mean? So if I now took a photograph here and a photograph over here, and using pixel correlation, I matched the 2 pixels of that chair, and I matched the 2 pixels of that window on that building. Between those 2 photographs, I could create very simple triangles between all of those points. And eventually, with enough photographs, with enough pixels, and with enough computational power, I can create a full 3D world. That's it. That's the magic of structure from motion. It's so simple, and it's how it works.
How sensitive to texture is it? I mean, are